Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with simple shapes to lock proportions quickly. Start by placing a larger oval for the mother's head and a smaller oval for the baby. This sets scale. Then draw a soft spine line for each figure, one long, relaxed curve for the mother and a curled C for the infant, because posture defines interaction. Next, block the torso and pelvis with ovals or rectangles to establish volume. These guides prevent later distortion. Once done, you'll have a proportional scaffold to refine. You now convert blocks into believable forms by drawing limb cylinders and joint markers. Make baby limbs about 1/2 the thickness of the mother's to keep scale accurate. This matters for believability. Refine neck and shoulder junctions so the mother's posture shows support. Connect hands where contact happens. Carefully place the facial tilt and eye line to capture the emotional focus. Aligning the mother's gaze toward the baby creates narrative. Make sure to keep loosening your lines until the pose reads clearly. You finish by cleaning lines and adding details that sell the scene. Erase construction marks, draw hair and clothing folds, and refine facial expressions so emotion reads at a glance. Then apply soft shading using a clear light source. Place core shadows and midtones around 50% to give depth without overdarkening. Finally, refine contact points and textures. If something looks wrong, tweak proportions by 5 to 10% and recheck limb angles. Small adjustments often fix the biggest issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.